So, what if you could get VIP Forex and binary option signals directly from me, a trader with over 20 years of experience, and, copy every single trade I make in real time? This is definitely not a public group. My Telegram is VIP only, and here's how you get in. First, click the link below this video. Second, create a new account and make a deposit using my link. And third, just send me an email or a DM on Telegram, and I'll personally add you to the VIP group. No deposit, no access. This is an exclusive community for serious traders who want real results. I've been trading for over 20 years, through bull runs, crashes, and honestly, everything in between. I've learned what works, what doesn't, and how to grow accounts consistently. That's exactly why I built this VIP community, a private space where traders help each other win. Inside, you'll get direct access to me and my trades, chat with other VIP traders and share setups, and see how professionals trade, live and in real time. So, this isn't just some free signal channel with random calls. This is, a professional trading room. Here's what happens once you're inside. When it comes to Forex signals, I share every single trade I take, from entry all the way to exit. You'll get price levels, stop loss, and take profit targets. It's honestly perfect whether you're into day trading or swing trading strategies. Now, for binary option signals. Every time I enter a trade, you'll know if it's a put or a call. I'll share the entry time, the expiry, and the reason behind the trade. You can copy trades instantly, even if you're just starting out. No guesswork, no noise, just clear, accurate trades from an experienced trader. This is more than just a signal group, it's a real trading network. You can chat with me and other traders one-on-one, share ideas, setups, and signals with the group, and learn real strategies that actually work. We're all in this together, and when one of us wins, we all win. I share every single trade when I open it and when I close it. In Forex you'll see every move, entry exit profits. In binary options, you'll know every put and call I take. No delays, no after the fact screenshots, just 100% real-time trades you can follow. If you want to join this VIP trading family and start copying my trades today, here's what you need to do. Step 1, click the link below this video. Step 2, create a new account and make a deposit using my link. Step 3, send me a DM on Telegram or email me your info, and I'll add you to the VIP group personally. Once you're in, you'll have lifetime access to my Forex and binary options signals, private VIP chat and support, real-time trade updates, and a professional trading network. I've been trading for more than 20 years. Now I'm opening the doors for you to trade with me. Let's make money together.